but that's alright. Hush.
Hi students, today we are going to study the examples on Bayes theorem. Let us consider first example. A product is manufactured by a company which is produced on three machines, M1, M2 and M3. The machine M1 produces 50%, M2 produces 30% and M3 produces 20% of total production. It is observed that M1 produces 4% defectives, M2 produces 5% defectives and M3 produces 6% defectives. One item is selected at random and is found to be defective. What is the chance that it is produced on machine M1? So for these types of examples we can use the Bayes theorem, because in this example we have given two types of information. It is information about production and information about defectiveness, percentage of defectiveness and percentage of production. Okay, so let us consider A1 event that product is produced on machine M1. A2 is event that the product is produced on machine M2. A3 is event that the product is produced on M3, and D is event that product is defective. Here are three machines, M1, M2, M3. That's why we are taking three events, A1, A2 and A3. Suppose there are two machines, then we can take two events as A1 and A2. Suppose there are four machines, then we can take the event as A1, A2, A3 and A4. And D is the event for defectiveness, the product event that the product is defective. Okay, here we have given more information, the information regarding the production. What is given? The machine M1 produces 50%. It means that production on machine A1 it is 50%. So it is P of A1 50%. 50% means it is 50 upon 100. 50 upon 100 means it is 0.5. P of A2 means M2 produces 30%. So it is P of A2. P of A2 is 30%. So 30 upon 100, 0.3. And M3 produces 20%. 20% means P of A3 is 20%. So 20% means 20 upon 100. It is 0.2. One more information is given. It is about defectiveness. It is observed that M1 produces 4% defectives. M1 produces 4% defectiveness. So P of D upon A1 it is 4%. Defectiveness on machine A1 it is 4%. So it is 0.04. M2 produces 5% defectives. P of D upon A2 it is 5% means 0.05. And M3 produces 6% defectives. So P of D upon A3 it is 0.06. Now use Bayes theorem or Bayes formula. We have to find what is the chance that it is produced on machine M1. So we have to find the chance that M1 machine that produced on machine M1, that product is produced on machine M1 and which is defective. That's why we have to use the formula P of A1 upon D is equal to P of A1 into P of D upon A1 whole divided by P of A1 into P of D upon A1 plus P of A2 into P of D upon A2 plus P of A3 into P of D upon A3. Why we are using P of A1 upon D? Because we have to find the product is produced on machine M1. Suppose we have to find the product produced on machine M2, then use here P of A2 upon D. it is produced on machine M3, P of A3 upon T. Just replace A1, A2 and A3 according to the requirement. Okay. So P of A1 upon D, it is equal to, put the values. See, it is 0.5 into 0.04 divided by 0.5 into 0.04 plus 0.3 into 0.05 plus 0.5 into 0.06. So numerator is 0.02 and denominator is 0.047. So by simplifying this, we have 0.426. So P of A1 upon D is 0.426. So there is a chance that it is produced on machine M1 and which is defective, it is 0.426. It means 42% chances that that item is produced on machine M1 and which is defective. By using this similar way, we can calculate that the chance it is produced on machine M2, it is produced on machine M3. You have to just change in the formula. Instead of A1, suppose you are going to find it is produced on M2, just replace A1 by A2. Okay. In whole formula, just replace A1 by A2. And if you are going to find it is produced on machine M3, just take A3 instead of A1 or A2 in whole formula. Put the values, put the required values, you will get answer. Okay, thank you.
But that's alright. Hush.